Welcome to the Pika Labs beta test. I'm going to give you a very quick overview of how to get started with the PikaBot and make animations from text, and how to animate an image. First, pick any one of the generate channels. Here you can check out other people's prompts and learn from them. The prompt is how you ask AI for art. Start with the / like this. After just a moment, the Discord menu should come up. Look for the Pika symbol and click Create. That will automatically bring up the Create prompt, like this. Pika wants you to describe what's in the image and what action you want to see. Look, if I only ask for a cat, it's usually just going to sit there. Likewise, if I ask for wave or smile, who knows what I'll get. But if I ask for a cute cartoon cat girl waving hello, well, look at that. Nice. Let's try another one. Start with the /, click Create. How about a puppy playing with a ball? And will you look at that? Whoa, what's wrong with this puppy? Let me introduce you to the Regenerate button. I usually do these 3 at a time. You get 10 generations every 5 minutes, so have at it. Scroll down to your message from Pika. Then check out your new video clips and see if one of them works for you. This practice of trying again and again is a big part of AI art, as you may already know. Now let's say you want to change your prompt. Pika makes that easy with the Remix button. When you click the crossed arrows icon, a window opens containing your existing prompt. If you're using an input image, that will stay in effect too. So I'm going to change this to say, I want a cartoon puppy splashing in his water bowl. Click Submit and chase down your message from Pika. Oh, check it out. First try. Sweet. Now let's add an input image. This is so fun. Check it out. / create prompt. A beautiful sunset with light rays moving through the trees. Now click where it says image. On mobile, it'll take you through your system's familiar process of picking an image. On desktop, it should look like this. After you type your prompt, hit tab, and then you can just drag and drop. Wow, that's glorious. I'm constantly impressed by the things Pika can do. There are more advanced commands in the Get Started channel on Pika's Discord, but now you know the basics of text to animation and animating an image with Pika. Remember, Pika wants to know what's in the image and what action you want to see. So, go forth Pika pals. Make great things with Pika.